Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset your age 6 smart box. So as you can see in the settings, we have to go device preference, reset, and press reset here. You can press erase everything and it will start to reset your smart box. This is the easiest way and cleanest way, fastest way to erase and reset your smart box. So as you can see, now it's erasing everything. The box is restored, and when it's done, it will be all erased like from factory. So let's see here and wait a couple of minutes. We should be ready to use it again. You can see now the box is starting. We do not have too much data in it. The box is almost brand new, and that is one of the benefits for us because it's not taking too long. As you can see, it's loading the data, and now we should wait, and the box is powered on. So guys, this is the easiest way. I prefer you do it this, and I hope this video was interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.